Reasonable lock-in period during employment held to be legal. Disputes relating to a lock-in period in employment contracts are arbitrable in terms of the Arbitration Act. Issues considered: whether a lock-in period in employment contracts is valid in law, or does it violate the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution of India. Whether disputes relating to a lock-in period in employment contracts are arbitrable in terms of the Arbitration Act. The High Court of Delhi vide order dated the 11th of July 2024, in the recent case of Lily Packers Private Limited versus Vaishnavi Vijayamak and others, held that a reasonable lock-in period contained in employment contracts is reasonable governance and does not violate the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution of India. Held. The Honourable Court held that a lock-in period is valid in India because it merely requires an employee to serve the employer for a specific duration, during the term of employment. In employment contracts, terms like the lock-in period, salary, and benefits are typically negotiated. These clauses are usually decided voluntarily, with both parties entering the contract by their own consent. Such clauses are often necessary for the stability and strength of the employer institution, providing the needed continuity within its framework. Further, the principles regarding the validity of covenants in employment contracts are well established. Any reasonable covenant that applies during the term of the employment agreement is considered valid and lawful. This judgment provides stability for employers, particularly those investing heavily in training, by reducing employee turnover costs. The decision allows employers more flexibility in structuring contracts by including reasonable lock-in periods, ensuring commitment from new hires, especially in critical roles. Moreover, the judgment confirms that disputes over lock-in clauses can be resolved through arbitration under the Arbitration Act, offering a faster and more cost-effective alternative to court proceedings. Any question, ask C-Quel.